guys, it's PamLashawn and I'm back with another video. So today I am finally giving you guys a tour of my closet. Since I put together the closet from Ikea, I had not done a tour and I wanted to show you all exactly how it turned out with everything in it. So if you want to see how it looks, stay tuned. Alright, so before we even go in, I have this, little heart right here on my door that my friend gave me, and it says BFF, Blessed Friends Forever. So I keep that on my door. I really like it. I appreciate that she gave this to me. I think it was for either Christmas, no, Valentine's Day she gave it to me. So thank you, Brandy, for the gift. And now to go into the closet. Ta-da! Here we go. You guys, look at this. I love my closet, you guys. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna give you a little tour. Well, a tour, not a little tour. It's a tour. Okay, so the first shelf, when you walk in, there's some purses down here. These are my clutches. I have a few, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then a wallet that I switch in and out with from time to time. I have a vest here, and I have some blazers in the back. And in these drawers right here, I keep my workout clothes, my workout shirts here in the top. So that's a few of those. Let me get in front of it like this so that you guys can see it better. Okay, so it's some shirts here, and what I do is I just roll them up like a burrito. That way I can make more space in the drawers, because these drawers, this one is a 29 by 13, so it's not as wide and long as, well, it is as wide, but it's not as deep as the one that's here. So I roll them all up just to make more space. And in this drawer I have more workout shirts. And in this drawer I have workout pants, tights, leggings. And in this drawer the same, I have shorts and leggings here. And the same thing, I just kind of roll them up so that I can make more room and maximize the space. And then in this drawer, I have some swimsuits and swimsuit cover-ups and things like that. Over here, I just have some camera backpacks and stuff like that right there. So that's not really much over there. So that's this shelf. And so over here, I have shirts here hanging up. And right above that, I have some Jordans. I don't really reach for those as much, which is why they are so high. When I do need them, I'll just ask my husband to grab them for me, or I'll grab a stool and get them down. But here are all, well, not all, but some of the shirts. I did just clean out my closet. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I've been working out, so I'm not able to fit a lot of things, and I haven't done any fall shopping yet. And the reason why is because of my working out. My weight is dropping, so I haven't really done much fall shopping. But in this pull-out drawer here, I have all of my shades and glasses. Shades, glasses, they're all the same. So let me come back some more. There we go. And that's that. And in this drawer, it's not much. I had accessories in here, but I kind of cleaned them out also. So I'm going to start all the way over and get more accessories. But that's that. And then in this drawer here, I have shorts and bodysuits. Those are bodysuits right there from, I believe it was Pretty Little Thing, and the shorts. And then up here I have just some shorts. This one right here is a romper, so that's what this drawer is for. And this drawer I have skirts and dresses. So here are the skirts over here, and then it's dresses in the back there, dresses and dresses. And in this drawer, I have more shirts. It's not a lot. As I said, I just cleaned out my closet, so I don't have a lot of things anymore. I do have to do some shopping, but I'm trying to hold off as long as I can because of my fitness journey that I'm on. But I have some bodysuit shirts back there in the back, and then some little tank top shirts right here. And in this drawer, I gave away a lot of my joggers and sweatpants and things like that, so I only have those two left. That is it in that drawer. And then in this drawer, these are like my sweaters and hoodies and stuff like that. I just put them down at the bottom because it wasn't cold at the time that I finished the closet, so I just put them at the bottom. I'll pull them out later on when it starts to get a little warmer outside, but that's that drawer. And so over here, I have all my jeans and pants. So it's more like casual pants in the front up here, and then more jeans in the back. Blue jeans, black jeans, denim jeans, skinny jeans. All my jeans are here. And then up here, I have more shirts. These are more so long sleeve shirts, and yeah, long sleeve shirts. So, and back here, I know you see this, these are just little hats that I kind of reach for when I'm going to my kids' game, or if I'm going to go work out or run, I'll reach for those hats. That's why they are down low, and those two up there are high because I don't really wear them. And right above that, more tennis shoes, my Adidas, and my other little shoes up there. So that is that. And so over here are where I have my bras. So I have bras on this side. Everything is pretty much double. So bras, sports bras, underwear, socks, and then little other things that I have down there, lingerie, sleepwear, stuff like that. So this drawer, I can show you. I don't mind showing you these drawers. These are my bras here and here, just to show you how I put them in. That. And then in this drawer, I have sports bras. So these are the bras with the padding in it. And then over here are the sports bras that has no padding in them. So I just keep those separated because these I will wear to the gym, but these I wear more so like when I'm running. So pads, no padding. Okay, and then the next set of drawers we are going to skip because that's panties. That's not for you all. That's for me and my husband, honey. So we're going to go down to this drawer, and I just have a bunch of colorful socks that my husband always get me when he goes to the store. And in here, I have my white and black socks, mainly the socks that I wear to the gym, and these are the socks that I wear around the house. And so here, that's lingerie. I'm not going to show you all that drawer. Here, just some slips and undergarment, whatever things that you need to put under your clothes. That's that one. And so here, I have some boots down here. It's 4 pair of boots that is here. One in the back there, these two, one in the back there, these two. And actually, I just purchased these 2 shelves just this week because I needed to maximize this space. It was just this stuff at the bottom and the rest of this up here was empty. So I purchased these 2 shelves to put my tennis shoes. These shoes are the shoes that I use when I work out. So I keep them lower because I tend to reach for those more since I work out about 5 to 6 days a week. It's just more convenient to have them down here. And then up here I have some slides, little flip-flops when I'm doing running, or running errands, walking around the house, whatever. And then up here I have all of my heels and bags at the top up there. Let me fix this so you guys can see it. There it is. Okay, so these are all my heels, And I just donated about 60 pair of shoes that I was not wearing. As you can see, some of them still have the wrapper on them. I have not worn them yet, so I will in due time. I have to get some more clothes because your girl has lost weight and I can't fit anything anymore. So up there is just a pair of my long black boots that's in that Aldo box right there. And then here are all of my dresses, like my longer dresses and longer one-piece suits like this. This is a one-piece suit. So I keep that over there. And then back here, I have some tall boots. And then here is my perfume collection, my smell good area. I have Bath and Body Works spray back there, but this is all of my expensive perfume here. We have Tory Burch. This is a sample that I got, Versace, when I purchased, I don't know which one. That one is Coach. So this one is the Ralph Lauren. And then I have some Gucci here. This is Jimmy Choo. This one is the Chanel Chance. This one, I don't even know where I got that from, but it smells good. I can't remember when I got it or where I got it from, but it smells really good. And then behind here, that's all of the Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works, lotion, smell good, things like that. Then we go up here, you guys. That picture frame, Brandy gave me that when I found my dad. I don't know if you guys ever watched the video of me meeting my dad for the first time while I was doing the Get Ready With Me. So I was supposed to put a picture of there, him and I, but I have not found the picture that I wanted. We haven't taken that many pictures since I just met him last year. And then it's just a pink flower there. And then I have a prayer box. I'm going to get this down for you guys so I can show this to you. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here's a better look at the prayer box my mom got me. As you can see, it says on their prayer box. On it, it reads, when your head starts to, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see. Okay. When your head starts to worry and your mind just can't rest, put your prayers down on paper and let God do the rest. I absolutely love this. I almost tore this off, and then something told me to read the back of it, and I read it, and I'm so glad that I didn't, because that just reminds me that I just need to stop worrying about things. Not that I just have a whole lot going on, but when you have teenagers, quite naturally you're just gonna worry. So I'm just learning to learn not to worry about things and just put it in God's hands. So I really love this prayer box. On it, it says, with God, all things are possible. And then this is the prayer box. And I just jot all my prayers down, and I put them in this box here. I'm just going to leave that there while I go over the rest. So I did talk about the picture frame there, and then the flower, that's an elephant up there, and then another place to put a picture right there on top of that. I just haven't put anything up there yet. I will, but I haven't yet. Okay, so I've showed you guys everything on the shelf. The next thing that I come to, this is all of my makeup brushes, everything like that. I won't go into details on this video. I am going to record my makeup collection, and then I'll post that sometime within the upcoming week. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. This is it. I've showed you guys everything of how my closet has come out, and I absolutely love it. So stay tuned for the next video. As I said, I will be doing my makeup collection where I will go through all the drawers and show you what's what and how I organize everything. And that is it, you guys. If you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if not, give me a thumbs up anyway. Until next time, you all have a good one.